Are your AirPods looking nasty and need a good cleaning, or are the batteries not lasting as long as they used to and you want to know your options for replacing them? Well, I'm going to show you how Apple recommends to properly clean your AirPods and go over all your best options for replacing them. This is how to do it all. Apple AirPods are bright white and they go in your ears, which can collect dust and earwax, making for a nasty pair of AirPods over time. Apple published a bunch of recommendations for cleaning your AirPods without damaging them. So let's go through Apple's recommendations and clean up my disgusting AirPods. The first thing Apple says is to not run your AirPods or AirPods Pro under running water. This is obviously a big no-no and will damage your AirPods. Instead, find a soft, dry, lint-free cloth. Apple warns of using any chemicals that might cause damage or stains to the AirPods and lists a bunch of items like soaps, shampoos, conditioners, lotions, perfumes, solvents, detergents, acids, acidic foods, insect repellent, sunscreen, oil, and hair dye. Hair dye? Apple also warns of using sharp objects or abrasive materials to clean your AirPods. Sharp objects like a toothpick or a pin will likely damage them. Now lightly dampen your cloth with fresh water and wipe down your AirPods carefully without getting a large amount of liquid in any of the openings. Liquid can cause some damage and affect the audio quality. Once you feel like you've cleaned them good enough, you can dry them with a soft, dry, lint-free cloth. And make sure they are completely dry before placing them back in the charging case. Maybe don't use a blow dryer. Don't even try to use them or put them back in the charging case until you are confident they are totally dry. Apple recommends that you clean the openings for the microphone and speaker meshes with a dry cotton swab. Now the AirPods are not the only thing that gets dirty. Your charging case can get pretty gross too. To clean the charging case, use a soft, dry, lint-free cloth, just like the one with the AirPods, and clean them carefully. You can dampen the cloth with isopropyl alcohol, but do not get any liquids in the charging ports. Apple recommends using a clean, dry, soft bristled brush to clean out the lightning port of lint and other debris. Again, don't use anything sharp or abrasive. Apple warns to avoid damaging the metal contacts. Don't put anything in the charging ports. Okay, great. Now you have a clean pair of AirPods and a clean case. That's awesome. But let's talk about battery life. After a few years, the tiny batteries in these AirPods will start to diminish and they will just not last as long. So what do you do then? So my AirPods started to fail me after about 2 years of owning them and using them pretty much every day. One of them will die after about an hour of using them, and the other one will keep soldiering on, but I'll be lopsided. To check the battery life on your AirPods, simply open the case holding it next to your phone. You can compare the battery life of each individual AirPod to see which one is lasting longer than the other. According to Apple, the battery life on AirPods Pro is 4.5 hours. And I remember my original AirPods will last about 4 hours on one charge, so if you're getting a lot less battery life than that, then here are your options. Apple will replace out-of-warranty AirPods Pro for $89 each. That's for each individual AirPod. And for AirPods, not the Pros, you can replace them out of warranty for $69 each. Now, if you have Apple Care Plus, it's $29 for both the AirPods and AirPods Pro. Apple also offers a battery service for AirPods under the AirPods Service and Repair program. Battery service for the AirPods and AirPods Pro costs $49 each, so you're looking at $98 to replace the batteries in both AirPods if you're out of warranty. With Apple Care Plus, it's free. For battery service, you can make an appointment to bring in your AirPods to the Apple Store, where a technician will examine them and let you know how long it will take to replace the batteries. This could take a few days or more. You can also ship them to Apple for battery service, which an Apple rep explained over a support chat takes 3 to 5 days from the time Apple receives them, plus the shipping time. So you could potentially be without your AirPods for a couple of weeks. So it is kind of pricey to replace these things through Apple unless you have Apple Care Plus, but luckily you do have some other options. Pod swap will replace your AirPods for a lot less than what Apple charges, but you have to get past the fact that these are recycled AirPods.
Pod swap is an AirPod replacement service for dying AirPods. You'll receive AirPods with new battery life in exchange for your old dying pair.
Pod swap will ship you a pair of refurbished AirPods that have had the batteries professionally replaced and the AirPods themselves thoroughly cleansed using a special cleaning method developed by Pod swap.
Our AirPod replacement process involves a combination of precision robotics as well as manual skill. And you may notice when you get your AirPods that there could be minor imperfections on the outer casing. And that's because we're able to reuse every part of the AirPod, which makes shopping with Pod swap so sustainable.
To replace two first-generation AirPods, it costs $59.99 plus tax and shipping. Compare that to Apple's price for battery service coming in at $98 for two first-generation AirPods. You simply click Swap Now, select the model of your AirPods, click Order, Agree, Add to Cart, and now I'm going to go to Checkout, add shipping and payment info, and Pod swap will ship you a set of refurbished AirPods. All right, so I got my refurbished AirPods from Pod swap. I'm gonna open it up and see what's inside. You can hear them shaking around in there. It's like they're loose. This is the shipping label to send my used AirPods back to Pod swap. Here they are. My refurbished AirPods. They do look brand new. Now I just put my old AirPods in this package, send it right back to Pod swap. Done deal, pal, done deal. Upon receipt of the refurbished AirPods, you then have 5 days to ship back your used AirPods. If you don't ship them back within 5 days, you could incur a fee from Pod swap, so get them out the door right away. Well, those are some good options for cleaning, maintaining, or replacing the batteries in your AirPods and AirPods Pro. If you like this video, then check out our related video on how to set up Apple AirPods Pro. Ring that bell to be notified of more videos from how to do it all, and let us know in the comments if you have any tips for maintaining your wireless headphones. Thanks for watching.